So you want a baby girl?
No, tara na.
So what do you want nga?
I
Girl.
want the...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, good morning. Parang baba ng energy. Isa pa. Hello to... Okay, ganito na lang. So welcome back to my channel. This is Cholo, Loko TV. At kaya guys, na ninibago ako mag-vlog kasi it's been 2 months na yata the last time I vlog. Kaya medyo naninibago. Pero today is a great day. Today is a beautiful, beautiful Sunday. And right now we are preparing to church. Hinihintay ko lang sila habang nagbibihis at gumagayak. Pupunta kami ngayon na church. Then after this, mag-celebrate kami ng Father's Day sa Argamosa Farm, somewhere in Cuyapo, Nueva Ecija. Actually, second time na namin makapunta doon. Nakapunta na kami before, mga 3 months ago, and the place is good. It's very refreshing, masarap yung pagkain. Later, tutur ko kayo doon. Pero ang pinaka-importante sa vlog na ito ay, of course, nakita nyo na sa title, we are having our second kid! Yes, buntis si Mrs. Nalaman namin to last night around 3 a.m. nung nag-pregnant si Tasya, and yes, thank God because it's positive. So kahapon we visited the OB para ma-check si baby, and our baby is now 6 weeks and 3 days to be exact. So wala, sobrang saya lang talaga. That's why it's a happy day. And later, you will see kung paano namin sasabihin kay Stacy na siya ay magiging ate na. So right now, drive muna ako and we will go to church. We are really happy na perfect time yung pagdating ng aming pangalawang baby. So, drive muna ako and I'll see you guys later. Bye!
The Lord promised me, take note of this one, sa verse 12, no?
So right now, papunta na kami sa Cuyapo with my sexy wife. Yan, drive muna habang kailan ay mga tulog. See you guys later! So we're here at Argamosa Farm. Stacy, say hi. Yeah. Hi, Inday.
Day ako.
Guys, dito kami ulit kakain sa nipa nila. Yan, very fresco and very relaxing. See? Ito, open air, tapos ito naman air conditioned. Check natin tong open air. What's the name of the fishes? Come on, give them names. That one, what's the name?
This one is Eddie, this
Eddie?
one is Rachel, and this one is Sparkly. This one is Susan, and she's She's a little cow, and she's
Okay, come here.
But Daddy, I want to see.
What? What do you want to see?
I want to see that.
Okay, come here.
Ew.
Ang galing. Kailangan niya
Here.
ako anak.
We are taking our orders right now. Order time.
Mga ilang araw tinatagal niyo?
So guys, habang nagla-lunch sila doon, lumabas muna ako para kunin ko yung simple surprise namin kay Stacy para malaman niya na magiging ate na siya. So, ito pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung pregnancy test. Positive. Positive. And ito yung ultrasound ni baby. Yan. 6 weeks. Lagay natin dito. Yan. Pati ito. Para mamaya pag in-open, magugulat si Stacy. Alright. Stand up? What's that kaya?
Stacy!
One.
Buksan mo!
Baby! So we are exploring now the place. Are you enjoying?
Yup,
Yeah.
let's look a blood.
What do you want? A baby boy or a baby girl?
No baby girl! No baby girl!
No.
Baby girl!
Why you don't like baby boy? Why?
Because I'm a girl.
You're a girl, so you want a baby girl?
No, tara na.
So what do you want nga?
I want a baby girl nga!
Okay.
I want a baby girl nga! I
Girl.
want a baby girl nga!
Okay. So, yung may-ari dito sa Argamosa farm is a plantita or plantito, kaya puro halaman, ang gaganda ng view, very refreshing, very relaxing place. Tara, let's explore this place. Kaya pa. Yay! Kamusta tayo? Tita Pat. So guys, that's it for my vlog. It's time to go home. Mommy, Stacy, bye-bye. Yeah, so Stacy, bye to my vlog. Thank you for watching my vlog. Please share, like. Please like, share, and subscribe to Cholo Loko TV. And congratulations to us, to our second baby. Bye-bye.